Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for joining us again. We're here, we're going to do a review on these reciprocating saws. We just got this XR Dewalt brushless compact reciprocating saw, and we're going to try it against, head-to-head, the tried and true Dewalt corded version. Alrighty guys, so let's get this, all of these are in already, so let's get this started. Cordless versus corded, and I guess let's just do it.
In 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, so that one there, it surprised me honestly, but we put another screw here just because this lifted up there. That's going to be my excuse for why this didn't work. But we're going to just do a clean cut straight down the wood. I believe this is past those nails where we were initially.
Yeah,
so,
we should be only getting wood.
Alright, okay, so I count it down now since you counted last time. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Alrighty guys, so we're going to do just a speed test now. Just cut strips of wood and see who does faster, how many pieces of wood, alright? 3, 2, 1, go!
It's a clear winner who won.
No competition. When it comes to that, but mine did go through that fastener flush cut very nicely.
I said we try that test again.
You want to try it again? Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're going to do take 2 on this test here on the flush cut. See how good we do. Now, keep an eye on where these things go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Alrighty guys, so I guess my final thoughts on that beast right there is, it's a beast.
Yeah.
I mean, to go against this corded version and do that many cuts fast, that's a given right there. That's the champ. You know what I mean? It did struggle though a little bit against when we did the fasteners,
The flush cuts.
the flush cuts. So what do you think?
I would choose this any day.
Any day, I mean,
My reasons for it is I don't have to run an extension cord. I could fit it anywhere. I could throw it in my car, take it wherever I need it, go into the forest, cut down some trees. Yeah, prune some trees, do whatever. I don't have to worry about having electricity available to me.
yeah,
Take a battery, couple batteries, good to go.
yeah.
Sure, it had some hiccups with the flush cuts, but this is mainly for cutting 2x4s, cutting studs, cutting small things.
Getting in between studs.
Yes.
Yeah, the compact version. It's
Yeah.
good. I mean,
And you saw the clear difference. This one cut a million times more faster than the original.
I mean, this is a 90s. When you gotta understand that, guys. Everybody out there, this is a 90s version. It's probably one of the first ones that came out for DeWalt. Versus, I mean, this. What does it have for strokes per minute? 2,900 strokes per minute. This one, who knows? I mean, I don't have the box for it, but I mean, cutting fasteners, it is a corded version anyway. I mean, 120 volts versus 20. I really thought that this one was going to smoke that one. honestly, but you ran through it like nothing, like butter. So, I mean, honestly, I'm going to give it to this one here. You know, put that one in there. Homeowner, contractor, approved.
And after all these tests that we just did, we're still full battery, full 3 bars on the fuel gauge.
Impressive.
And you could even probably get even longer run times if you go with a even big 6 amp hour battery.
The XR battery as well. Doesn't the XR actually makes a longer runtime?
Depends on the amp hours.
Nice. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this review. And you know, we're gonna keep coming up with these reviews. You know, we're just getting started with these tool reviews, and you know, obviously, this is our first video, so you know, bear with us. We'll get better in time, just like anybody that does YouTube videos. So, yeah, we'll come back to you guys next time. Thanks for joining us.